Welcome to math class.
If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe.
This video is about distributive law. Let's begin. Consider the following expression, 4 times bracket x plus 2. The expression can be represented by a rectangle. Here, we have the length as x plus 2 and width the number 4. This expression could also be represented in another way. Here, as you can see, the rectangle can be broken up into this. Therefore, 4 times bracket x plus 2 will be 4 times x, which is 4x, and 4 times 2 is 8. We still need to remember, when multiplying algebra, the rules of multiplication integers with the symbols need to be followed. I will repeat again. Positive times positive is positive. Positive times negative equals negative. Negative times positive becomes negative, and negative times negative becomes a positive. To expand an expression of the form a times bracket b plus c, every term in the bracket is multiplied by the number in front of the bracket. This is called the distributive law. Remember, outside times inside. Now let's do some examples. Here we're going to expand the following. First one is 2 times bracket y plus 4. Second one is 4 times bracket 2, x minus 9. Let's do the first one. 2 times y is 2y. Positive times positive is positive. 2 times 4 is 8. Remember, any term that doesn't have any symbol has an invisible positive in front. The second one, 4 times 2x is 8x. Positive times negative is negative. 4 times 9 is 36. Let's try some harder ones. You can pause here and try those on your own. Okay, let's do the first one. Here, a times a is a squared, positive times positive is positive, and a times 3 is 3a. The second one, m times 3m is 3m squared. Positive times negative is negative. M times 9 is 9m. The third one, negative times positive is negative. A times a is a squared. Negative times positive is negative. A times 6 is 6a. The last one is interesting. The x is not on the left-hand side now, it's on the right. But don't fear, it's treated as the same, so always outside times inside. X times 4x is 4x squared. Positive times positive is positive, and x times 4 is 4x. Now we're going to learn something more. In algebra, we may be given some expressions that contain expanding and simplifying methods using the distributive law. An example could be this. To solve this one, let's work it from left to right. So 3 times 2y is 6y. Positive times positive is positive. 3 times 6 is 18. Now that is our first group. The second group we continue. We look at the positive in front of the number 2, the term. So let's do the symbols first. Positive times positive is positive. 2 times 4y is 8y. Positive times positive is positive. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, we're going to put all the terms in there. If you have watched our previous video about like terms, you'll remember we carry the symbols in front of the term and we group all the like terms together. So let's put the y's first. We have 6y plus 8y, then we have plus 18 plus 4. To simplify, we left with 6y plus 8y, which is 14y, and 18 plus 4 is plus or positive 22. Let's do one more example. This time, 3 times x is 3x. Positive times negative is negative. 3 times 2y is 6y. Now go to the second one. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times positive 4y is negative 8y. Next thing we do is put all the like terms together. So put all the x together and all the y's together. Don't forget to carry the symbols. So I will have 3x minus 2x minus 6y minus 8y. So 3x minus 2x is x or 1x. And negative 6y and negative 8y becomes negative 14y. Answer is x minus 14y. Here are 3 examples. You can give it a shot. Okay, let's do the first one. 2 times a is 2a. Positive times positive is positive. 2 times 1 is 2. Look at the next one. Positive 3 times A is positive 3A. Positive times positive is positive. 3 times 7 is 21, grouping the like terms together. 2a plus 3a plus 2 plus 21. Don't forget to carry the symbol in the front. 2a plus 3, a is 5a, and positive 2 plus 21 is positive 23. So the final answer for this one is 5a plus 23. Let's look at the second one. Here we go. 4 times 4 is 16. Positive times negative is negative. 4 times 7, a is 28a. Looking at the second part, negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Negative times positive is negative. And 2 times 3a is 6a. Now we group the like terms together. So we have 16 minus 8 and minus 28a minus 6a. Let's simplify it. 16 minus 8 is 8, and negative 28a minus 6a is negative 34a. Therefore, our final answer is 8 minus 34a. Now we look at the last one. A times a is a squared. Positive times negative is negative. A times 6 is 6a. To the next one, negative 2 times a is negative 2a. Negative times negative is positive. 2 times 1 is 2. To finish it off, put like terms together. As you can see here, a squared is by itself. We write that first. Negative 6a and negative 2a are like terms. We could simplify that, which is negative 8a, and the number 2 is by itself. That's the only term by itself, so we just bring it down. Therefore, the final answer for this one is a squared minus 8, a plus 2. Thank you for watching.